sweethearts. Oh, they had baths today. So we had baths this afternoon. Is this Mr. Black? Miss Purple? Miss Green? Mr. Brown? Hi, Mr. Brown. Yes. Hi, sweetheart. That's Miss Green. Who is this? Who is this sweet baby? Miss Pink. She's sleepy. She's sleepy. Who is this? This is Miss Yellow. Hi, sweetheart. Hi, sweetheart. I see a tail wagging. Who is this? It's probably Mr. Blue. No, that's Miss Green again. Oh, don't fall. Okay, Miss Purple. Oh, silly goose. Miss Green. That old fat Billy. That old fat Billy. Who is this hiding over here? Mr. Blue? Let's say hi to Mr. Blue. Say hi, Mr. Blue. What you doing, handsome? I'm going to get you out of the hole there. Oh, my goodness. There you go. There you go. Okay, we're missing Miss Red. There you are. How are you doing, cutie pie? Oops, you're going to get that finger, huh? That's a cute baby. That's a good baby. You feel better after that bath? Yeah. Oh, it made it sleepy. That's a good babies. Mr. Black. Mr. Blue. Mr. Brown. All three boys right there. Let's see, Mr. Brown. And you don't fall. Look, here, I'm gonna put you over here. Oh, y'all need to go to sleep. You need to go to sleep. They got their